Eighth graders, Miss Farmer here. I just wanted to wish you all the best of luck as you move on to high school. I'm very proud of you for all that you have accomplished. I know this year has been rough with the way things have ended and that we haven't got to say proper goodbyes. So I wanted to make sure that you know that I'll miss you and I appreciate my time being able to work with you. Remember in high school to take advantage of all the opportunities that are presented to you. Join a club, play a sport, talk to new people, reach out. You'll never know what kind of things you can stumble across. Work hard, do the best that you can in everything that you do. Enjoy the next 4 years. They're going to fly by. I will miss you guys and wish you the best. So remember, make some good choices. And if you need anything, you have my email, so you can always contact me. Take care, guys. I'll miss you.